Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find out who logged into your Facebook account. So you have to go to your Facebook application first. Once in there, head over to the three lines on the top and go to the settings and privacy section. And in here, scroll down and go to activity log. In here, just go to logged information. And in there, check your privacy status, and you can also go to security and login information and go to logins and log out. And in here you can find in which devices or in which places they have logged in, including their IP address. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, you can comment down below. Hope to see you in the next video.